In this week-long lesson, students will learn to differentiate between local, metropolitan, and wide area networks. Students will work in groups to create a simulated model of each network type. In this presentation, instructors can see a day-by-day breakdown of each activity. The resources section has all the materials and links necessary to complete the lesson. Instructors can click on a file and make their own copy to send to students. Before beginning, each group will contribute a question regarding computer networking to the Q&A worksheet. Students will take notes as they watch all 4 video tutorials on computer networking linked to this playlist. Following the video, students will use their notes to complete a worksheet comparing LANs, MANs, and WANs. And over the final 3 days, students will create a computer simulation of a LAN, a MAN, and a WAN and record the results. Finally, groups will work to answer a question submitted by another group on the Q&A worksheet. Specific ISTE standards for both coaches and students can be found here.